This is a big box. Look at that, guys. Hi guys! In this video, I have another collaboration from this company. They reached out to me again and they sent me this beautiful bag, and this is from the brand Babalabags. I did a video of my first collaboration. I will put the link in the description box below or up here, so you better check that out. And if you haven't heard Babalabags, they sell replica handbags, and not only handbags, they also have like shoes, jewelry, belts, and more. So if you're interested, you better check their website, and I also have a coupon code for you. I will put the link and the code in the description box below. And also, if you're watching this video and new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification icon so you won't miss any of my new upload videos. You know, the shipping, it only took like more than a week. I have a box right here. This is a big box. Look at that, guys. It's really huge. I mean, it's really big. So let's open this box and show you what's inside. It's a magnet, so it's easy to open. There. Look at the, whoops, look at the packaging. Look at the box. It's big. There you go. This is LV or Louis Vuitton. So there it is. There you go. It says LV on this paper. You know, like, this would be a perfect gift for yourself, for your friends, sisters, to your mom, aunts, and you know, whoever loves handbags. I love purses myself. You know, I have a few of them. So yeah, and who doesn't love purse, you know, ladies out there? So you better check that out, guys. There's the papers. I don't know how many papers are in here. If you want to give this as a gift or something for Christmas, not only Christmas, but you know, for all any occasions, that would be great. So that's the paper right here. And then the next one is this beautiful, oh no, not yet, not the bag yet, because there's more in here. This is the envelope. Yeah, it says LV, and you can just put it back there. And then the next one, oops, this little booklet or handbook or something, and a card, of course. Also this ribbon, it says Louis Vuitton or LV. That's some stuff that comes in the box. And here it is, the best part that I'm so excited to show you guys is here. Yay, this is huge. This is big. This would be perfect for like if you want to travel or go somewhere, because you can put a lot of stuff inside the bag. So it comes with a dust bag, and of course it says LV or Louis Vuitton there. When you're done using it, you want to make sure that you put it in like it won't be dusted or dirty or something, so put it in a dust bag. Here it is, the exciting part. Ooh, I can't wait to use this. Yay, it's still in the plastic. Let's open it. Yeah. Ooh. There's still stuff inside. We'll take that out. The only thing is, I don't like the smell. There's a smell inside. I don't know what it is, but anyway, yeah, that's that. Okay, woo. Let's see what's in here first. Oh, this is the strap. It's like a belt or something that you can just hook it, and here's some holes over here, so you just have to adjust it. And look at that, there's a name over there that is engraved. The next one, it's a little like a wallet. Oh, that would be nice. Or a pouch. And here it is also, you know, like a wristlet. That's the strap. It's really cute. Look at that, guys. Yeah, I like it. I like the quality of this. It's a good quality. And yeah, you can put something in here and put it in the bag. Money or whatever, you know, you can put in the bag. And the best part is, like I keep saying, the best part. I'm sorry, guys. This big bag right here. And here's the tag. It says LV. And there's also this strap right here if you want to like tie it. There's no zipper, you just have to tie it just like that. But to me, that's not necessary. I like to just open like that, but it would be nice if there's a zipper inside, but that's open. It's hot in this house, little building. I don't have the air on because, you know, it makes a lot of noise. And also there is a compartment here. There, I'm gonna stand up. Okay, there's a compartment there, and look at the inside. There's a lot of room, so you can put anything in there. That is a big one. You can put your iPad or, you know, tablet inside. So I'm going to put this over here, like connect it. I'm on the wrong side. Just bear with me. I connect it. Put this right here. I'm on this last hole. Like I said, you can adjust it, the size of this one. There we go. It's so big. You can wear it as a sling bag or, you know, a shoulder bag, whatever you like. And also I'm going to hook this. Where is the thing? This one, this wristlet, you can wear this by itself or you can put this inside like that. There is a little thing over here that you can just hook this together. So it's in there. You can use this straps or you can use this magnetic. There. That's perfect. I'm hot in here. Oh, this is really big. I adjusted the straps. There's a lot of holes in there. You can just pick what holes. Look at the side and also at the bottom. There's 4, you know, like a studs. Look at, it's wide. Yeah, so that's pretty neat, really. See? I really like the design, and also it's huge. That this would be very convenient, like if you want to carry a big bag that you want to put a lot of stuff in it, and this would be perfect for that. This would be perfect for traveling. Use this for everything. And thank you Babalabags for sending this beautiful big bag. And if you have any questions, just leave a comment down below. And thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.